The story of the Black Donnellys is a Canadian legend that centers around the brutal murders of a family of Irish immigrants in the small Ontario town of Lucan in 1880. The Donnelly family, consisting of James, Johanna, and their 8 children, had a reputation for being involved in criminal activities and had many enemies in the community. On the night of February 4, 1880, a group of masked men broke into the Donnellys' farmhouse, brutally murdering James, Johanna, and 4 of their children. The remaining family members were able to escape, but were later hunted down and killed. The murders were particularly gruesome, with the attackers using axes, clubs, and knives to kill their victims. The crime was never solved, and the motivations behind the murders have been the subject of much speculation. Some people believe that the Donnellys' criminal activities had led to their murders, while others believe that the murders were the result of a long-standing feud between the Donnellys and their neighbors. The story of the Black Donnellys has become a part of Canadian folklore, and it has been the subject of books, plays, and even a film. It's often cited as one of the most brutal and gruesome mass murders in Canadian history, but it's important to remember that this is just a legend and the truth behind the murders remains unclear. There have been various theories about the crime, but none have been confirmed.